This 2024 Shasta Phoenix 367BH Bunkhouse Fifth Wheel 5 slides is a fifth wheel RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Shasta is 42 feet 6 inches in length and features Sleeps 8, LP detector, DVD player, stovetop burner, auxiliary battery, leveling jacks, external shower, carbon monoxide detector, microwave, skylight, air conditioning, and 48 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Shasta Phoenix 367BH Bunkhouse Fifth Wheel 5 slides is 12,708 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.